Sanbalani Dumelang, hello, my name is Malwande and welcome to my channel. So today we're going to get into a tutorial about how to do Bantu knots. The first method that I'm going to show you is suitable if you do not know how to braid or twist. The second option I'm going to show you is the one that I have used over here for my entire head, which does involve a bit of twisting. Let's go. First things first, you want to ensure that the section you're working with is fully detangled, right? There you go. On clean hair, you're going to go in with a butter or a leave-in conditioner as well as an oil. Now the order obviously depends on what order works for moisturizing your hair. If you want extra definition and want to do it as a Bantu knot out perhaps, you can add a curling mousse or a curling cream. This is all that I used for mine. I'm not going to do it on the section because the section has already been moisturized. Okay, you have your square and then you are going to just twist, literally like this. So you're going to twist and ensure that you're not twisting too tightly at the roots. This is to minimize tension because remember we care about scalp care and low tension hairstyles. So I've twisted I think till about halfway now. Then you're going to take your thumb and index and you're going to pinch here. This is so that you create a loop at the top, which is what you're going to wrap this hair around. So you see, then I'm holding, I start wrapping, and then I use the same hand to just help me bring this part around. And now as you continue wrapping, you're going to continue in the same direction. So I was wrapping, what is this, clockwise. Now I'm going to twist up. Because of the length of my hair. If your hair is shorter, honestly, this is even easier to do. And then I'm going to now wrap at the base. Again, not coming too close to the base so that I do not cause myself tension. And then you're going to wrap. When you get to the ends, you just tuck the ends in at the bottom. If your hair is silky or relaxed, you might want to use a small rubber band just to hold it in place. However, I have 4C, 4B hair, so I don't need that. And voila, your Bantu knot is done. On to method 2. Now, this is the method that I prefer because I feel it gives the most definition and also it feels the most secure. Again, you've obviously detangled and moisturized. You're going to take the section, split it into 2, and we are going to twist as if we are doing a normal twist. Right, and I'm going to twist up until about halfway. There. That is enough. And then we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to take my thumb and index and pinch here at, just to create a little loop for me to begin wrapping. And then I'm going to wrap at the base. Then remember we have the rest of the hair, so we need to twist that part like we were twisting in the first method. Then now I'm going to move up because of the length of my hair and then work my way back down, preparing for the tuck in. Then you see I am almost at the end. I'm just going to wrap and tuck that in. Voila! Just like that, we are done. And then of course, go ahead and look after your scalp. Put some oil on your scalp. You can use the same oil that you used or scalp serum, whatever you prefer, to make sure that your scalp is well taken care of. Guys, the style is so classic. It is so easy. It's so convenient. 10 out of 10. Love it. Highly recommend. When was the last time you had Bantu knots? Here's your sign. Thank you so much if you made it to the end of this tutorial. Let me know in the comment section if it has helped you, and I will catch you in my next one. I am blessed. I am.